What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now, I decided to do the final review. Just go ahead and just knock both of these out at the same time. We got the full-size Militaw and we got the mini. Both are pretty dope. Yeah, really impressed with both of these. Got my own version, my jungle green, jungle wear. Love this one. This is the Primo version. Like, I think it was like 170. So a little more expensive. These are budget friendly right here. So if you can't afford a premium or you just don't want the premium, I understand. Definitely save you some money. Get a budget one then. And I just hit my microphone. I apologize. But let's get into it now. First off, we're gonna let's do my favorite right here, the OG, the full size. Really freaking like the full size. I won't lie. I prefer the full size. And I normally go for the more, not necessarily the more compact knives, but the little bit smaller, the ones that fit my hand a little better. But out of the two, I feel like this one definitely fits my hands better. I can put my finger right here if I want, and I have plenty of room either way, like up here or back here, whatever. If I want to choke up a little bit, I can like put my finger right here, kind of choke up right here with my thumb, and just get a good pinch right there, and do whatever I need to. And it's obviously lots of real estate. It's just it's comfortable. It's bigger. Um, just really impressed with this thing overall. You do have the P Ultim right there, the PEI. Got some G10 right there. So this is just an inlay, and I do know that excuse me, that they are making inlays. I don't know if it's for the full size Militao, but I think it. Crap, I'm trying to remember. Maybe they're doing both. I know they're doing the minis, but I'm not sure about the full size. So be on the lookout. I don't think they're even out yet. They keep advertising on their Instagram, just like, hey, check it out. Coming soon, coming soon. Check the website. So I just know they are coming out. I don't know when. Obviously, when this video is released, it'll be a big thing. So it just depends on when this video is released. And they may already be out for a while. Who knows? But again, this is the OG. I love this thing. Got a nice drop point on both of these. This one, you're going to have that 154 cm. Great budget steel. Love it. It is, price point is going to be $69.95 to $70. So for $70, you get 154 cm. You get pretty decent scales. I really like the Ultim look. I do. I like the black to go with it. I wish they would have done a black wash blade, but that's just me though. Just the way I think would have liked it. Like also with the black like steel liners and stuff like that. I think it would have looked dope. Steel black, not steel, but a black pocket clip also, something like that. This is what I would think would be cool, but that's all right though. This thing's still pretty dope, just the way it is. Definitely your normal Militao, just buttery smooth. Slow roll is perfect. I'm telling you, one of the best slow rollers I've ever got to handle. It's almost like there ain't no sound to it when I move it. It's just buttery. Same when it closes. See, front flipper works great on this one. You do there you go, like that. I really like to do it like this, and that's when I know it's a good front flipper, when I can finally get my finger to do this. When I can front flip it like that. That's just how I kind of gauge it. If I can do that, it's pretty decent. But overall, this thing is phenomenal. Like I said, black G10, P Ultim, steel pocket clip. Screws are recessed, pocket clip is not, and it's not reversible. Sorry, lefties, kind of sucks. Reverse flick is perfect, like I said. Thumb flick is perfect. Well, not really. I can't really thumb flick very well. I've never been good at thumb flicking, so I can't say it's perfect because I'm not very good at it to begin with. And then the front flipper's great. Let's go on to the homeboy right here, the little brother. The little brother. We got some red G10. We got some G10 party streamers of all colors. We got orange, pink, purple, brownish, red looking thing, yellow, green. You got them all. You got blue right there. So you got all the colors, I think. Just about daggone. This one is Nitro Vito. I like Nitro V's. Pretty good stuff. Got a liner lock on this one as well. I don't know if I told you, it is a liner lock on this one. The one I got the handle before was a frame lock, which worked beautifully. And I want to get my hands on a frame lock version. Like to actually keep, obviously, my own that I buy. Just don't know which one I want to get yet. But both are liner locks. Works pretty smooth. Thumb flick, like the thumb hole works pretty well. It is kind of harder to get your finger into it a little bit. And I think it's just because it's a smaller knife, obviously. Just trying to see if the thumb holes are the same. Honestly, they look like they are. Call me crazy. Am I crazy? No, okay, so it looks like the regular Militaw is just a hairball bigger. I mean, barely. It is a little bigger, just a smidge. So if I think it was a little bit bigger, it would work a little better, obviously, but it still works just fine, though. And the front flipper works just fine as well. You can do this with it also, with the front flipper, sometimes, depending on the day. There you go. See, this one's a little slicker. The mini Militaw, yeah, the mini, hold on. The mini Militaw I have, the jimping is more aggressive on it. I don't know why. But it is. It really is more aggressive. Maybe it's that coating that's on this. I don't know if that's what it is. But I do have problems front flipping that like that. This one I don't have a problem with now. Because it's so freaking grippy. Rips the skin off your fingers if if you let it. If you do it more than a couple times, it does. But overall, works pretty good. You can't really slow roll all that easy. You can. It's just a smaller knife, so it causes a little bit of a problem, but not much really. You can still do it pretty easy. Liner lock works perfect though. Not too shabby. Both are skeletonized. Obviously, you can see this one right here. They are skeletonized to help with the weight on both of these. Pot clip same, pretty much black. Screws are recessed. Pot clip is not reversible. It's kind of how it goes. Let's get some weights though real quick for you. Do my little mini brother real quick first. $2.6, all right. 2.6. 3.7, so a little over a pound more. 3.7. Or not pound, ounce, or whatever. Pound, yeah, ounces, whatever. So they're not too bad in the weight department. Let's check out some measurements real quick. Here we go. Measurement, cutting edge is about 3.2, 3.3. We'll go 3.3. Overall, you're looking at about 8 inches. Cutting edge on this little guy right here is about 2.75. And overall, you're looking at about 6.65. So, not too shabby. Definitely a nice little compact guy for you. Check these screws out real quick. I'm sure I wonder if they're going to be the same. I don't know. Curious. T8, T8, T6 for the pocket clip, the usual. Yep, T6, T8. Yeah, so everything's T8 but the pocket clips on both of these. It's about normal, about common, you know what I mean? The usual. I think that's really it. Not much else to say. Just both a couple nice little blades. Check them out. Budget friendly. If you're looking for a great budget friendly knife, they got them for you. If you want a premium version, they got them. Get the Militaws. They're fantastic knives. And again, if I'm going to pick one, I'm going to go with the OG, the regular right here, full size. I'm telling you, it flips better. I mean, that's not even saying that this is a bad flipper. It's not saying that at all. It just flips a little bit different, a little bit better. That's all I got, though. If you guys liked the video, leave a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, just leave in the comment section. Thanks.